Now we will learn about cylinder. This is the shape of a cylinder. Now we will learn how we obtain the curved surface area and the total surface area. Now see, we all can see this is a rectangle. This is the length of rectangle and this is the width. We know the area of a rectangle is L into B. But when I fold this rectangular sheet, I am getting a cylinder that is called a hollow cylinder. Now what happened? The length of the rectangle becomes the circular portion of this cylinder and the width of this rectangle becomes the height of the cylinder. This means when the area of rectangle was L into B, it has been converted into this circle whose perimeter is 2 pi r and width has been converted into the height of the cylinder. So its curved surface area becomes 2 pi r into h. So this means the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. This is the height and this is the perimeter of circle, which is 2 pi r. That is also called circumference. Now I can talk of total surface area. As I told you, this is a hollow cylinder. When I close this cylinder on both the sides by two circular bases, a circular base at this end and a circular base at this end. So its total surface area will be firstly the curved surface area 2 pi r h plus I took two circular bases, one at bottom and another at the top, but the area of circle is pi r square. So this means the area of two circular bases will be 2 pi r square. I can have 2 pi r common. What else I am getting is h plus r. So this is the total surface area of cylinder, 2 pi r h plus r. Then the volume of this cylinder. We know the volume is area into height. Whenever we talk of volume of any three-dimensional figure, that is area into height. The area, this area is comprising of a circular area. The area of a circle is pi r square. Into height is h. Height is h. This means the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Next, I can talk of cone. This is the shape of a cone. Where this is your slant height L, this is your radius of the cone, and this is your height. This is height of the cone, this is slant height, and this is the radius. Firstly, when I talk of its curved surface area, it is equal to pi r and L. How we obtain this pi r L? See, we have one circle, but when I move towards the bottom, the radius is being converted into the slant height. So what happened? Its curved surface area in that case is pi r. Another r which we take in area of a circle, pi r square. Another r is converted into slant height because when I move towards the bottom, the radius is converted into the slant height. So its curved surface area is pi r. And then the total surface area. Again, as I talk of total surface area, a figure which is closed. So I have a circular portion on the top. When I close it by a circular portion, that means I add a circular top. So it will be curved surface area of the cone plus a circular top whose area is pi r square. So this means its total surface area will be, take out pi r common, else I am getting is L plus r. So this is the total surface area of cone. Then when I talk of the volume of cone, do remember one thing. When I have a cylinder and a cone, same height, then the capacity of this cylinder equal to the capacity of 3 cones. This means the cone's volume is 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. The volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So in that case, the volume of cone will be 1/3 pi r square h, which describes that a cylinder comprises of the volume of 3 cones with same radius and same height.